Okay, today we're going to have a look at the Brother Universal Pen Holder. So this tool is available for the ScanNCut, provided it's a Brother accessory, and it comes in two components. You purchase it in a kit like this, and it comes in two separate components: the actual tool that goes into your machine, and this part here, which is a guide. So you pop your tool into the guide, and then you get a pen, a regular pen. This one's just an ultra fine Sharpie. The ultra fine fit better, the normal Sharpies do not. And this slots down that hole, and it rests on the bottom here. So you can see, so you don't press your pen in too far or not far enough. It puts it in exactly the correct position. And then up the top here, you've got a round piece that just swivels around and locks your pen into place. So when you take it out, it's locked. If the pen is too big, you can add masking tape or painter's tape around there to hold it into place more firmly. But if it's the right size pen, it will just lock in and make sure it's tight. This tool adds a whole range of drawing ability for your ScanNCut with regular pens. Just pop it down for a second. Drawing like this, so you can see it in the camera. So the Merry Christmas, that was done with this pen, this actual pen. You can see the colour. And also I've used it with glue pens. And glue pens and glitter. I'm not sure if you can see that as well, but that's just a glue pen writing the wording and then glitter sprinkled on the glue pen, the wet glue that the glue pen's written. And it's pretty easy to use. You just take your regular tool out of your machine, and with the Brother labelled to the front, it slots into the slot. This pen holder will suit both the CM range and also the SDX range of ScanNCut machines. So it's very versatile. And then you just use the clip to lock it into place and set your design that you want to draw. So when you get to your area on the machine and it says cut or draw, choose draw. A tip: if you do not see anything on your design when you've clicked draw, go back and check that it's actually set to draw and not cut. That is one thing that happens sometimes, is if the design comes in as a cut file and you choose draw on the machine, then it will show blank and you think, oh my God, where's my design? And just go back and check it. Just go back and check that it is actually a draw file, and you can set it, if you're using Canvas Workspace, just a little icon to a draw, and then it will come through and you'll be able to see it and draw and make beautiful sentiments to add to your cards and other products. Right, I hope you've enjoyed this quick tutorial. See you again.